Hello dear friends, if you want to delete your Instagram search history, then stick to the end of this video, cause I'm gonna show you the exact process to delete your Instagram search history. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram profile. There are two ways to delete your Instagram search history. First, look at the bottom of your Instagram homepage. See there's a search icon here, so click on it. And now at the top of the page, just click on Ask Meta AI your search. Now you will see all your search histories. And now if you want to delete a specific search history from this history list, just click on the cross mark which is at the right of your search history, and then the search history will be cleared. But you have a lot of search history on your Instagram profile, and if you want to delete all the search history in just a single click, then you gotta follow the second process. So in the second process, what to do, just go back at the bottom of your Instagram homepage, just click on your profile picture, and now at the top right corner click on the three line icon, and now here is an option your activities, just click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Now look at the last second option, recent sources, just click here, and then you will see all your search histories here. Just click on clear all option at the top right corner. Again click on clear all. And now see there's no new search history here. So this is how you can delete all your Instagram search histories in just a single click. And if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.